During hot summer days, everyone is on the lookout for ways to cool down and beat the heat. This quick Okroshka cold soup recipe can help you do just that and be ready in 5 minutes. In a sea of quick and easy recipes, during hot weather Okroshka will make you feel like you're taking a cool and refreshing internal shower, and it will take your probiotics to the next level. For this delicious cold summer soup, you will need equal amounts of soft cooked and fresh crunchy ingredients. Some green garlics and onions, radishes, cucumbers, and fresh dill. Parsley, cilantro, mint, or basil are optional. Boiled or baked potatoes, cooked sausages, and hard-boiled eggs as a protein source that can be substituted with any cooked beans or lentils. And the star ingredient of the soup, unsweetened kvass. You can find it in some stores, or make your own. Link to the tutorial in the description of this video. If you do not have kvass yet, you can use kefir instead. Video on how to cultivate kefir grains is coming up soon. Cut all your ingredients into a small bite size. Cold cooked potatoes is a great source of resistant starch that feeds your beneficial gut bacteria. As a protein source, use lean sausages or cooked meat. Presence of fat in a cold soup gives an off-putting texture. Nutritionally dense eggs contain small levels of omega-3, which helps to increase the bacterial diversity within your gut. Pungent radishes, green garlics, and onions are one of the best prebiotics that also help to clear excess mucus that accumulates in your system due to seasonal allergies. Crunchy cucumbers are high in electrolyte potassium and reduce sodium-induced water retention. Antioxidant dill, parsley, and basil will add rich color, flavor, and aroma to your cold soup. Sprinkle some salt to taste and add kvass or kefir. You can make your Okroshka cold soup as hearty or as buttery as you like. Keep it in the fridge and serve it chilled with a dollop of sour cream or plain yogurt to intensify cooling sensation. Once you try this soup, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to prepare and how incredibly refreshing it tastes. It's like a burst of summer in every spoonful. So next time the sun is blazing down, remember this cold summer Okroshka soup as your go-to solution for staying cool and satisfied. Give this recipe a try. Share your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes to help you beat the heat. Stay cool, everyone.